Introducing our group members.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Qadir Jailani bin Mahazir. I will explain about a Panasonic company background. First of all, Panasonic is a Japanese firm that Konosuke Matsushita created in 1918 and was then the largest manufacturer of electronics. Panasonic was previously known as Matsushita Electric Industrial. The brand name Panasonic was established in 1995 and was used as its brand by an outdoor speaker. The brand name Panasonic means giving Panasonic sounds to the globe. Mr. Cheng Chi-Shu is the director of Panasonic Malaysia. He is a Malaysian and on 1 April 2015 he became the corporate director. He was a Bachelor of Economic degree. Mr. Cheng has no firm and related shareholding. In November 1999, he joined Matsushita Industrial Corporation. He was then transferred to Panasonic Malaysia Sdn Bhd in October under the air conditioning division and on 1 April 2015 as Panasonic Manager Director.
My name is Akmal Sofi bin Muhammad Rosli and I'm going to present about Panasonic products. So first of all, Panasonic has introduced home and building products such as heating and air conditioning with Econovi sensor technology. Econovi intelligence sensor use the human activity sensor and sunlight sensor to identify unconscious waste of energy. Next, industrial devices. Panasonic has created autonomous mobile robot or AMR solutions to achieve optimum efficiency using the robot in industrial worlds. Autonomous mobile robots are capable of operating in a wide variety of complex and adaptable situations. Other than that is factory equipment. Panasonic assists clients uncover new value with sophisticated robotics, Internet of Things capabilities and software that link automation systems throughout the business. With the innovation and generate, it gave high accuracy microdriver system advanced micro fastening for the ultimate in precision and quality manufacturing. Last but not least is personal care product. Nano TM technology is a unique technology of Panasonic that incorporates its exceptional nanoscale knowledge and deodorize prevents the development of germs and viruses and is good for dust removal in an indoor environment, fresher and cleaner. That's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Taufik. Today I want to share about how inventory management are implemented by Panasonic. The first one is Panasonic implemented material requirement planning, which is called Panasonic Logistics System. Material requirement planning help manufacturer identify the right component for their product at the right time. It also allows them to manage their current and future sales order and expense. The second one is Panasonic implemented analytic tools, which is out of stock detection system. Analytics tool can show current stock and the status of inventory. This provides a quick real-time view of items that are in stock or out of stock. It can be used to see how well customers are serviced and justify performance to this customer. The third one is warehouse management. Panasonic use lean manufacturing assistant in their warehouse management. Lean production is a way of ensuring that your value-added transaction continue to flow through the product. The next one is inventory forecasting. Panasonic execute Syncast PSI Visualizer as their inventory forecasting. It allows managers to see a large number of components in their inventory and eliminate missed chance as a result of stockout and large disposal as a result of surplus inventory. The last one is suggested purchasing system. It reduces inventory and increasing sales. It automated buying, creates purchase order volume in an efficient and cost-effective manner while guaranteeing compliance with vendor criteria.
Hello, my name is Miza Umaira. I want to present how Panasonic manage their inventory management. Panasonic used two approach, which is ABC analysis and JIT. Why Panasonic you choose ABC analysis? Because the Panasonic company use ABC analysis in each diverse sector in the company, so it can help production management and product expenditure monitoring. Furthermore, ABC analysis will make the decision become easier by give the sufficient information on of each product. For example, ABC are less profitable product in consumer electronic business. So with the ABC analysis, the company able to identify the main issue of ABC product. Lastly, the product production process can be controlled with the useful information to the company management that provide from ABC analysis. However, the adoption of ABC analysis will require a lot of cost into inventory management in terms of software and technology. Also provide the history of cost information which imply the role in decision making. For example, ABC product is not important but must consider it with careful specification. Why Panasonic choose their IT has the one-off approach in their inventory management? Because it will help decreasing inventory cost and give a goods the competitive advantage in the market. Next, improve the customer satisfaction by Panasonic adjust the production to order and prioritizing customer need. Gain the significant competitive advantage because Panasonic invest the training and development of skilled employees. Also, increase of productivity because job rotation, so it will make employee become motivated to do work. Although Panasonic gain more profit by use their IT method, Panasonic will lack of stock and need to devote more space to production. That means any disturbance in manufacturing process will disrupt the delivery and customer relationship. Panasonic need a large of budget and long-term period to be successful. So it not worried that Panasonic will get the mistake at early stage of the IT method in inventory management.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nur Azizi bin Azurin and I will explain my part that is conclusion for Panasonic. In conclusion, Panasonic future is promising, given that the company use their inventory management as the best method, and the company can consider Panasonic to be more innovative in their strategies to match their product and continue to improve its businesses to compete with other competitors. Although COVID-19 brought upside down to numerous people, Panasonic assumed that customary changes has been made. In the new age of new normality, face-to-face encounters took place online and people started to shopping more and more online. For example, corporations are aiming for a higher logistical efficacy in this COVID-19 outbreak. These changes has introduced new obstacles with its technologies, tech service and solution. Panasonic can easily help to tackle these difficulties. That's all for me. Thank you.